I see a lady sitting in a room. It's the kind that only comes out with the moon. Only dance she knows is Devil's Tango. But how many times I don't even know. I see a lady that's walking across the street, but it's not the kind that I would like to meet. She's got that look that basically lets you know what she do.
She hates the job, but she loves the cat. Completes the work with bras, thinking better than that. Maybe one day she'll get caught in the act. Then if I knew her from the wall, get that. The cat loves it, and she's a slave. Walking into the shoes to get paid. Maybe one day we'll find out her so love is girl, her rest up.
I see a man who's lost his dignity. He has no sense of what's reality. And all his riches are going down the drain. Yes, he lives his life in an everlasting pain. It's how they hit you with a sucker punch. Oh, how many times? Oh, it hurts so much. Look on the bright side of this life. As they doze off in the night.
She hates the job, but she loves the cat. Completes the work with bras, thinking better than that. Maybe one day she'll get caught in the act. Then if I knew her from the wall, the attack. She has loves it, and she's a slave. Walking into his shoes to get paid. Maybe one day we'll find our hearts so love is girl with her rest.